Every single night of your life, you do something extraordinary. You lose consciousness. Your body becomes paralyzed. You hallucinate vividly. Your brain replays your entire day. Your cells repair themselves. Your memories get permanently filed. And you wake up, having absolutely no idea that any of it happened. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is the most sophisticated biological process your body runs. And what happens inside you every single night is genuinely one of the most extraordinary things in nature. This is that story. The moment you close your eyes, a timer starts. Your brain begins its descent through 4 distinct stages, and each one does something different, something specific, something that cannot be replaced by any amount of caffeine or any amount of willpower or any amount of pushing through. Stage 1, you're barely asleep. Muscles twitch. Sometimes you feel like you're falling. That jerk that wakes you up is called a hypnic jerk. Scientists believe it might be your brain misinterpreting the relaxation of your muscles as your body actually falling. Your ancient brain still protecting you from dangers that no longer exist. Stage 2, you're properly asleep now. Your body temperature drops, your heart rate slows, and your brain produces something extraordinary, sleep spindles, bursts of neural activity that scientists believe play a crucial role in consolidating memories, taking everything you learned today and starting to file it permanently. Stage 3, deep sleep. This is where the magic happens. Your brain waves slow to their lowest frequency. Your pituitary gland releases growth hormone. Your muscles repair. Your immune system runs its maintenance cycle. And your glymphatic system, the brain's waste clearance system, opens up completely and flushes out toxic proteins, including beta amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. Your brain is literally cleaning itself right now while you sleep. And then comes the stage that will genuinely amaze you: REM sleep, rapid eye movement. About 90 minutes after you fall asleep, your brain does something nobody expected. It becomes almost as active as when you're fully awake. Your eyes move rapidly behind closed lids. Your body becomes temporarily paralyzed by a mechanism in your brainstem, so you don't physically act out your dreams, and you begin to dream. But dreaming is not random noise. Research from Matthew Walker at UC Berkeley and from neuroscientists around the world shows that REM sleep is doing something critical. It is processing your emotional memories, taking the painful, the frightening, the stressful experiences of your day and replaying them, but this time without the stress hormones. Your brain is essentially separating the memory from the emotion, keeping the lesson, dissolving the pain. REM sleep is overnight emotional therapy, free, automatic, every night. And when you cut it short, those emotional memories don't get processed. The pain stays attached, which is why everything feels worse after a bad night of sleep. You didn't just lose rest, you lost your nightly therapy session. And here is the part that should completely change how you think about sleep. Every 90 minutes, your brain cycles through all these stages again, 4 to 6 complete cycles per night. And here is what most people don't know. The ratio of deep sleep to REM sleep changes across the night. Early in the night, mostly deep sleep, mostly physical repair. Late in the night, mostly REM, mostly emotional and memory processing. Which means when you set an alarm and cut your sleep short, you are not just losing a little sleep, you are disproportionately cutting your REM sleep, your emotional processing, your memory consolidation, your creativity. The last 2 hours of sleep are doing some of the most important work of the entire night, and those are exactly the 2 hours most people sacrifice for one more hour of Netflix, or one more hour of scrolling, or one more hour of work that could have waited. So what really happens when you sleep? Your body repairs every muscle. Your immune system runs its full maintenance cycle. Your brain washes itself clean of toxic waste. Your memories of today get permanently saved. Your emotional wounds get quietly healed. And the version of you that wakes up tomorrow is literally, physically, biologically different from the version that closed their eyes last night. Sleep is not the absence of life. Sleep is where life gets rebuilt every single night, without fail, without complaint. The most faithful thing your body does is work tirelessly for you the moment you finally let it. Share this with someone who thinks sleep is a waste of time.